Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we are very excited because we have the Melt Fatally Yours collab with Bailey Sarian. You purchased it.
I did.
You got the palette. Here's the palette. All mattes. I'm really excited to use it. You haven't used it yet, right?
No, I just looked at it.
Yeah. So it's really grungy. I'm really excited to try it. You have the 3 lipsticks, which I'll swatch in a moment. And it came with the little purse bag and then all those like linery glitter things.
Okay, yeah, you don't like these, but I do. There's 2 glittery liners. One is called Wisteria. I guess the theme is like poisonous things, right? And this is Nightshade. This is kind of goes with this, like a very dark. Well, it looks purple, but I know Bailey says it goes on blue.
Yeah, I saw that too.
So, yeah, that's the liner, and then
this glittery one, Boom Slang, and then their classic black. I mean, I've heard so many good things about their like gel liners.
I have them.
Oh, look at it! It's like perfectly dolloped in there with a little peak. Look.
I like their gel liners very much. What's that one called though? Because I like the
Onyx.
I don't know if that's right? I don't know if that's a poison.
Well, I think it's just their classic black, so they.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, it seems to me like when I swatched Wisteria and the other glittery one, there's the same golden glitter, but one has a blue purple base, and yeah, okay, all right, all right. Not knowing how I feel about glitters anymore, to be honest.
Like that kind of glitter.
Yeah, I know it. I love a shimmer. I love a shift. But an actual glitter, not sure. But I'm going to do the glittery eye. I'm going to try and sort of recreate it, something I saw Laura from Melt do this morning on Instagram. Yeah, we're a little late to the party because A, we're busy, and B, we live in Canada, so our shipment takes a little longer.
Took a while. And here's the lipsticks from top to bottom. We have Hemlock, Wolfsbane, and Nutmeg. Nutmeg? Is that poisonous?
No, but there could be a 4th lipstick, except I bought a whole bunch of lipsticks at the Melt sale, and I don't know, I might have put them away. So we have 3 for sure.
You got mixed. Oh,
I don't know if there's a 4th lipstick. I can't remember.
There definitely is.
It's in my thing.
Okay, I think it's a really pale one, so I wouldn't use that anyway.
Okay.
But maybe if you
But I have so many Melt lipsticks now, guys. Love the formula.
Yeah, it's like matte. It does have a fragrance to it.
I don't find a fragrance.
Yeah. It's like, I don't know what kind of fragrance, but it's very specific.
I like this fragrance, though.
I don't like it.
It's oh, you don't like it? Okay.
No, I just don't like fragranced
I do.
lipsticks.
I don't like Gucci fragrance lipstick, but I love the lipstick I have from Gucci.
Yeah.
But the smell is disgusting.
Yeah. He said it's like really
like old lady.
Yeah.
But this isn't old lady smelling. It's very nice.
No.
And excited to get in there.
Yeah, so I'm thinking of doing that thing I do where I work in reverse because these lip shades are quite bold. I want to start with the lip, work up, do a bit of blush, and then do my eye.
She's really switching it up, so I guess I'll have to follow suit.
You want to do the same thing? Reverse?
No. Yeah, I'll do the same thing.
Okay. I'm really torn between.
I have a Melt lip liner that I got at the sale. It looks like an Endless Cacao dupe.
I don't know. I'm so torn. Like, all these shades are so pretty. I think I'm going to try Hemlock as my shade. It's like a really rich, dark brown.
Okay. What is this one I'm going to try?
Wolfsbane's the purple one.
Okay, I'm going to go there. Purple. Oh, no. I'm going to go this one. What is this called?
Nutmeg. I think nutmeg is poisonous. It has the ability to be poisonous, I swear.
Did you know there's arsenic in everything? Like apples.
Vegetables?
Yeah. I really like the texture. Love the texture of these lipsticks. So yeah, there was liquid lipsticks, but that was sold separately. Are we doing blush?
I am. You don't have to, Mama.
You don't have to, Mommy. Okay, I'm going to start with the cyanide, which is this sort of color. I don't even know how to describe it. Do you? Cyanide.
That's the one you love to say is baby poo.
Oh, baby poop.
Now I'm just going to put a blush on. This is from Milk Makeup. It's Quickie because it feels so nice to me to to have all the blush and lip done. It's just satisfying.
Sometimes when I do, because lately I've been watching your videos on your own channel, which is a great channel. What's your channel called?
Just my name, Evangeline Molly.
Yeah.
More tutorials.
Yeah, she does tutorials, but inspos, You don't need the products. It's not really product review. It's just how to wear a bold lip or an icy blue eye. That was really cute.
I'm really happy with this lipstick choice. It's really pretty. I might have to borrow it for the evening. Take it hostage. No, I'm not going to be allowed.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm just going to use, just to lay down, to set my concealer. Just from Makeup by Maro, there's this white. I'm just going to do that as a base so that the eyeshadows have something to grip to.
Okay, I'm very frightened, so I'm going to use the Nightshade, the purpley blue shade, to create a base that's kind of winged out. I'm scared. Okay.
Take your time. That's a really pretty color. You just use cyanide?
Yeah.
I'm going to start with arsenic.
Yeah, we've been following Bailey longer than anybody.
Yeah.
Since she was just a Ipsy person and she just did her own little tutorials. Very cute. We love her.
Yeah. And people have been saying this collab was a long time coming because she uses a melt a lot.
You can see it.
Yeah.
It's a look. It's a vibe.
It makes sense. And also, I'm really excited to see Melt go back to just their classic, this packaging and this amount of shades. I just like it the best. And they're grungy,
Yeah, it's a grungy vibe. Their brand is that, for sure.
They've been navigating away from that a little bit with the Halloween Town thing and da-da-da-da. Which I wasn't
I didn't buy the
impressed
Halloween. Yeah, I have almost all the Melt palettes, pretty much.
Yeah.
Because they got some in the sale that I even, I had the stack too. I don't enjoy the stacks. I don't like that format. I love a palette.
Yeah.
So I got the blueprint, and I did get a She's in Parties. I gave it to you.
Oh, yeah, a long
but
time
it was so
ago.
cheap. It was only $20.
Oh my god.
Sometimes I look at it and I think, oh, I love that palette. Do I? I gave it away.
You hated it.
I didn't. It's not that I hated it. I just found it very one note. I couldn't really get a lot of looks out of it. And now, do I care about a lot of looks? I've changed. See, here's the thing. Before you throw makeup away, your taste can change in a month. And so that's why I wouldn't do it. Throw makeup away.
Or clothes
so
sometimes. Just wait.
Yeah.
Just wait a little bit because I've thrown out a lot of clothes. I was like, shit.
Yeah.
Why did I do that?
Yeah. That's fair.
It's good to clean out your closet and stuff you really know you're not going to wear again. But if you're on the fence, just wait a little. So I just went into ricin.
Yeah, ricin. Don't you remember ricin from Breaking Bad? Ricin was that poison they put it. Spoiler alert! If you haven't seen Breaking Bad, and that woman's sweetener, she always had that sweetener, and they put it in her tea or coffee or whatever she was drinking.
I'm kind of wishing I had this palette. It's really pretty.
It's a good one.
I like mattes. When I'm doing a grungy look, I do like it to be matte.
Also, how I'm lately doing eye makeup is I just would like a matte palette and then have another, that's why I've been getting into my singles, which are all shimmery, shifty shades, and then just poking a finger in there, Yeah. It's a good way to go.
So I'm just blending these two together, going back and forth. I might dip in to cyanide just to kind of help with the transition between these two shades.
I need a fine brush. This is going to be messy for a bit. It's going to look a mess for a little bit. Bear with me.
So I'm going to just sort of mimic the same thing on the lower lash line. It's the same shades, the same steps. I love a muddy green like this. I think some people were saying that a lot of these shades looked like stuff from previous Melt palettes.
I don't find, now that I have it in my hot hands, there might be a couple of shades, but not the way I thought it would be.
Yeah.
And you'd have to go and search. Like, again, as you told me about me, I like it curated in one.
Yeah. I don't know. The thing about colors is like they'll look sort of similar in the pan sometimes, and then you swatch them side by side and the undertones are so different. Like, colors are sophisticated things, you know, which is why we have so much makeup.
Yeah, I'm proud of it. You know, it's not the quantity that you have, it's how you organize it.
What do you mean?
Well, you know how I have piles.
Yes.
It's all organized, kind
She
of.
has like a whole cabinet.
It's a cabinet. So it's all curated in a thing. You know what I mean? It's not like, yeah, it's messy on my desk. My desk is a messy desk. But that's who I am. Mm-hmm. Some people are messy.
Do you work best with that?
Yes.
Mess in front
I've
of you?
always been that way ever since I was a child. I need a and I know where everything is. It's very, it is proven that it is, creative people do work that way.
I don't think so.
That's
I think
true.
Everybody's different. I think some people, I work best creatively when my place is clean. And like, I've started to, when I do like my own videos, like really make sure I'm setting a specific mood. Like, I'll put some candles and incense, and like I have to make everything feel like peaceful. And for me, peace comes with clean house. Like, sometimes I'll be trying to work on stuff and I'll notice like the sunlight comes through the window and there's like little dust particles everywhere, and I'm like, I can't focus on anything, and then I'll just power vacuum like a mad
Well,
woman.
this is why your mama can't live at home, like, and work and live and exercise. Because I'll just see, oh, a dust bunny. I gotta go and get off this yoga mat and fix the dust bunny. Okay, now I'm gonna go in the glitter, see what works out. I'm gonna do the one that's purple based, Wisteria.
I'm just going in with Mercury, the brown along the lash line. Not precisely, smudgily. Well, actually, maybe I will take my liner brush so I can really wedge it into the lash. I hate when there's like a gap. You know?
Okay. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then figure out what to do with my under eye, which might be some ricin. Or maybe kerosene, which is the pale. When I saw this online, I thought this blue was going to be icy blue.
Yeah, me too. And I swatched it and I was going to do a blue look. But then I was like, this is actually darker than I thought. It's really pretty, but it wasn't what I was like thinking of.
This is different for me. This is a different...
What are you doing? Just waiting for it to dry?
Waiting to dry before I sort of do other things. Maybe I'll put my blush on. I'm going to use Fire Fury Blush Light from Melt. This is a really pigmented blush. I always forget. So... Oh.
You did it again. You say it out loud. You try your best. Well, I think I'm basically done. Would you look at that?
I'm not done.
Ah.
I want to do something on my lower. Oh, and then my eyelashes, right? You haven't...
No, I haven't done lashes yet.
Ricin it is.
This is the kind of look I find benefits from...
Lashes?
Yeah, but I was going to say the white liner in the water line. Which I'm going to have to like kind of... I can't do it one-handed. So I'm going to have to duck out of the camera a little bit, I think. Actually, I don't even know how I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Fuck. Okay, I'm going to try it one-handed. Every look benefits from lashes, doesn't it?
Some people are wearing no lashes. We should try one day. There's a couple of things I want to do sort of in the privacy of my own space.
Are you feeling like you got your look? Or should I just go forth with...
I say, let's do our lashes while I do a little cheat.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, we're back with lashes, and for once in our lives, you sat there and took forever cleaning. That's normally me, like, oh, I'm frustrated.
I've got a very precise look, though. It's
Yes.
not one I usually do. I just wanted to try it out. It's like stage makeup or something.
This is why I'm intimidated by these types of liners, because, like, I never know what to do with them. Like, maybe, like, a liner, but, like, to do a whole lid, I have to admit, I'm not sure I've even ever tried anything like that.
Yeah, well, I like to play, and I'm playing with you guys as my audience. Give me some credit.
Yeah.
I did have to do some cleaning up here and there, like with brushes in my cellar water.
Yeah.
But, like, whatever.
I love my look. It came together so easily. I fell back on a very well-loved and well-used routine of, like, keeping it open on the lid and, like, using grungy tones. I think it just makes it approachable, and I feel confident going outside, and I want this palette.
Yeah. I'm going to lend it to you. But you're going to have to give it back.
No. It's so pretty.
So we were just thinking if we had to collaborate with any brand.
It would be Melt.
I think so.
Because, well, I mean, it's like we love Natasha Denona, but it's not like she does collabs, and that would be random, kind of.
No, and she's sort of more... I don't love Natasha Denona for color stories or fun marketing things.
Right.
I like her packaging and I like her shadows, but for, like, clever things, like, I love Nomad as well, but they do their own little journeys.
Yeah.
This one now, if they're doing collabs.
Yeah, hey,
fine.
hit us up.
Hit us up. The Witches.
This, yeah, it would be marketed as like a witch versus angel palette.
Yeah, and with a sense of humor.
So one side is witch, one side's angel. So you have these pastels that you can, like, blend with your grungy tones.
Yeah.
What a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
Don't steal it, Melt. You have to collab with us.
Yeah.
You know? Oh my God, we're so smart. I also love the package. It has a texture. It's, like, ripped here, and it's like if you move your finger along it, it's like... Can you hear that?
Okay.
You know what I mean? Feel it. Like that rip. It has a texture.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
ASMR.
So, let us know in the comments down below. Did you pick up this collection or anything from the collection? I highly recommend the palette. If you like Melt formulas, it's going to pull through for you. And I love that it's all mattes. I really do. Because we all have enough shimmers. You can add any shimmer you want. But these tones all go really well together. You can't go wrong.
Mm-hmm. I love the concept. I love the poison names.
Yeah.
Makes me laugh.
So pretty. Yeah, well, I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy.
Why does poisons make me laugh? It just does. Poison makes me laugh.
I think you said that, and I didn't even process what you said.
Well, ricin, just knowing, and, like, there was a movie I really liked as a kid called Arsenic and Old Lace.
Arsenic and Old Lace.
Yes. Anyway, okay, go.
Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye,
Bye, witches.
Witches.